हाय, वेलकम टू हर जिंदगी। दिस इज मी आशमा जैन। और आज हमारे साथ जो एक्टर्स हैं उन्होंने अपनी एक्टिंग से ना तो सबका दिल जीता है बल्कि उनकी वाइब ने पूरे इंटरनेट को ब्रेक कर दिया है। फ्रॉम रूलिंग द रैम्स टू रूलिंग आवर स्क्रीन्स, शी हैज डन इट ऑल। बंदिश बैंडिट सीजन 2 की हीरोइन श्रेया चौधरी। सो लेट्स हैव सम बंदिश ब्रेकिंग बातें विद श्रेया। Hi Shreya, welcome to Har Zindagi and thank you first of all for speaking to us. सबसे पहले congratulations to this amazing season. What a show!
Thank you so much and thank you so much for having me.
सबसे पहले स्कूल वापस गए हो आप इस सीजन में?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
तो कुछ ऐसी मेमोरीज फ्लैशबैक हुई हैं कि बचपन में ये चीज़ें सिखाई गई थी स्कूल में और अब एक और म्यूजिक स्कूल में जाके क्या क्या रिलेट किया और क्या एनेक्डोट्स थे वहाँ के?
बहुत सारे एक्चुअली एनेक्डोट्स, क्योंकि पहली बात तो मेरे खुद के लाइफ में बहुत ऐसे मेंटर्स रहे हैं, जैसे कि नंदिनी मैम जो दिव्या मैम का कैरेक्टर है, और हमारा एक बहुत खूबसूरत रिलेशनशिप है नंदिनी और तमन्ना का। तो मेरे एक्चुअल स्कूलिंग लाइफ में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे टीचर्स थे दैट रियली इम्पैक्टेड मी। और एक और चीज थी, मैं जिस कॉलेज में गई थी अपने अंडरग्रेड के लिए, जहाँ पे आई थिंक मुझे वो प्रॉपर रियलाइजेशन और करेज, ये बात एक्सेप्ट करने का कि आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर, वो वहीं पे आया है, उस स्टेज पे आया है। और जो राधे और तमन्ना का जो पहला सीन है जहाँ पे वो मिलते हैं पहली बार सीजन 2 में, वो मेरे कॉलेज के स्टेज पे शूट हुआ है। तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल था दैट इट वाज अ फुल सर्कल कि मैं वापस उस स्टेज पे जाके मैं शूट कर रही थी जहाँ पे मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर प्रोफेशनली।
बट फिर भी ये एक्टिंग का कीड़ा कब काटा? मतलब ऐसा था बचपन में कुछ ऐसे घर पे परफॉर्म करते थे या फिर स्कूल में वो एक एक इंसिडेंट क्या था गला कि यार मम्मी को बोला क्या मुझे ना एक्ट्रेस बनना है, वो क्या था?
वो एक्चुअली बचपन में मैंने कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था, लेकिन डेफिनेटली मैं एक बहुत सॉफ्ट स्पोकन लड़की थी इन जनरल, जब भी लोगों से बात करती थी। पर मेरे अंदर था वो दम और पावर और लाउड वॉइस था हमेशा से, और वो मेरे एक टीचर ने रिकग्नाइज किया। सो दे पुट मी इन अ कॉम्पिटिशन, और मैं पहली बार जब इस स्टेज पे गई, माई सर, आई रिमेंबर माई वाइस प्रिंसिपल टुक अवे माई माइक because he knew I had it in me. And the person sitting right at the end of the auditorium could hear me. मैं इतनी audible थी और सब लोग shocked हो गए कि श्रेया has a forget voice, has a loud voice, because I was very soft spoken. So I think that was the first time कि I felt, you know, when they say you felt seen, I felt heard, I felt alive. And I know these sounds like very heavy things to say, but सही में as a kid itself, I remember मैं घर आई थी और मैं mom dad से, you know, हम लोग बातें करते हैं कैसा दिन था ये वो, and they tell me, they were like, we had never seen you so happy up until that day कि जब तुम stage पे गई थी and you said I'd gone for a poem recitation competition, और they were like, तुम मतलब you were like so happy from ear to ear, you were smiling, there's a glint in your eye. But of course I didn't realize that the seed was being sown at that point.
एक ऐसी चीज जो नहीं पता लोगों को दिव्या दत्ता के बारे में?
You know, I remember when I heard pehli baar ki there is a character called Nandini and she's, you know, your teacher. I was so very excited because I was like, Tamanna ko bhi Pandit ji mil gaye khud ke. So I was very happy. And when I found out it's Divya Datta, I was super excited because I was just waiting to work with her, because like you said, कि जब भी आप कैसे मतलब एक ऐसे एक्टर के साथ काम करते हैं who's a national award winner, been in the industry and is a stalwart of our industry, you know you're going to learn a lot. जब भी हम लोग वर्कशॉप भी करते थे ना, आई यूज्ड टू बी अ लिटिल वरिड की मतलब जस्ट आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट की आई यूज्ड टू कीप, you know, doing my lines and try to make sure I don't make any mistake. And Divya ma'am noticed that. And she just called me one day and she's like, Babu, just chill. You're doing very well. It's fine. She'd do lines with me so that, you know, I could feel a little better. She would give me cues. जब भी, you know, एक OTS shot होता है जहाँ पे वो co-actor is not seen ना, but she would give me cues herself and do the scene exactly the way she's done it when the camera was on her, even when the camera was not on her. So I was telling her even during promotions, हम लोग ये सारे बातें करते थे, because Divya ma'am is a very strong woman, right? Like everybody knows that about her. But she has the warmest smile. मतलब आप उनकी smile देखोगे ना तो आप पिघल जाओगे. So she's so like, I love that she's still in touch with that kid inside of her, and she says that. Golden Voyager episode, I remember we were shooting in this beautiful 100-year-old chapel in Sanar, the school, and she's explaining that entire thing about the Golden Voyager to me. And I was just I was just listening. I was like, at that time, Tamanna and Shreya had become one. You know what I
Hmm.
mean? Like, it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
so beautiful the way she's done it. So मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया, and she has been really such a support system for me. So I'm very grateful to her.
फेवरेट डायलॉग कौन सा रहा आपका इस सीजन का?
बहुत सारे हैं यार, इतने सारे। घराने तो मर्दों के होते हैं, दौड़ने से पहले चलना सीखो, which are both in the trailer, and I think these are two dialogues that will really go down, you know, in many in future years also people will speak about these two lines because of the way they've been performed.
क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आए इसको पूरे प्रिपेयर करने के तमन्ना को सीजन 2 के लिए?
आई रिमेम्बर मुझे एक कॉल आया था आनंद से आफ्टर आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट, और उन्होंने मुझे कहा, जो हमारे डायरेक्टर है, ही सेड देख बहुत मजा आने वाला है, बट यू हैव टू वर्क ब्लडी हार्ड.
हम्म.
And when I read the script, I realized exactly what he was saying. So there were tips that Anand would give us. Like he would tell me कि go for Nikita's recording and see कि वो breath कहाँ पे ले रही है. जैसे आपने कहा, before taking a high note, you have to really fill your lungs and you have to sing from your diaphragm with, you have to breathe. Or what is the distance of the mic when she's singing a high note, or if she's singing a low note, she takes the mic closer to her mouth. So these kind of little things, he told me, observe these things. So actually my workshop time, though I knew that season 2 is going to be challenging to shoot, वो
हम्म.
workshop time में मुझे इतना मजा आया है ना आशिमा, that I feel just so grateful that I got to live the life of a musician through that time.
How do you strike the balance in your real personal life also when you evolve in your career?
Most of the messages in the comments I've gotten is that you have evolved a lot from season 1 in season 2. So for me to hear that, I personally feel very thankful to everyone who's given me that advice, be it even the actors from the show itself. They've said such lovely things. So for me, I think it's that realization which I luckily always had even from season 1, that growing never stops, learning never stops.
Correct.
And I've had the best examples right in front of my eyes, from starting from the best Nasir sir to then Shiva ma'am, Divya ma'am, Rajesh sir, Atul sir, Amit sir, now Saurabh sir. All of these actors, they are so passionate about what they do. They know everything. They can play any character they want, but they come to set with this, openness ki I'm going to always learn something today.
हम्म.
So I think having that attitude, which is the attitude that even Tamanna has, कि मैं basic से start करूँ क्योंकि मुझे सीखने की जरूरत है. So I feel that is something that really is a virtue in a way, and I hope to be a student for the rest of my life. And my dad always tells me that if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room.
आजकल when we see female characters, they portray very complex and बहुत layered roles होते हैं. करीना रोल ले लो, काजोल, and lot of A-listed actors are doing this. Your character in this Bandish Bandit, what message that you want to give to the female audience? Because again, this was a very female-led, strong show this season. Last season had a more male dominance. This season has more female dominance.
So thank you for this question, because I'd love to talk about how I have gotten so many messages from women. Uh, you know, uh, in comparison to maybe season 1. So in season 2, it is such a refreshing change for me to see a lot of women telling me how they found the character relatable. क्योंकि एक बात है कि हमने दिखाया, and I can speak for Tamanna, because obviously Shiva ma'am and Divya ma'am and everybody, Yashaswini or Alia, all of their characters are also so beautiful and empowered. But if I have to speak for Tamanna, the fact that she goes back to school, she says, I'll go back to my basic schools, I want to get it right. ये नहीं है कि अभी वो ऐसे कोई वाइज लड़की बन गई है कि आई एम होलियर देन दाओ, भी मैं परफेक्ट हूँ, नहीं. शी इज अ रियल woman of today, and people today are flawed. There is no black and white. There is gray. There are layers to a human being. There are times that you make mistakes, and she makes mistakes and she accepts them. It's not like she hides from it or anything like that. She realizes कि हाँ मैंने गलती की है. So I think all of these situations, a lot of people have poured their heart out to me, and I feel very grateful for that. I've been in a similar situation. For women especially, I feel there are a lot of topics that we've touched upon, which is like it's never too late, and not to ever feel small, through any of the characters, be it Yashaswini's character, Shiva ma'am's character, Divya ma'am's character, my character. Just believe in yourself कि अगर आपको करना है ना, तो मतलब कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको, आप करिए, So I think that is very beautiful individually, all the journeys, and it's lovely that women have, kind of responded so beautifully to the show.
ओके सो नाउ विल डू अ क्विक रैपिड फायर. थोड़ा म्यूजिक रैपिड फायर करते हैं क्योंकि बंदिश ब्रेकिंग बातें करते हैं थोड़ी सी. ओके मोस्ट मेमोरेबल कॉन्सर्ट यू हैव अटेंडेड.
Now it's two concerts actually. It firstly is Coldplay. I went for a Coldplay concert,
Oh,
and
wow.
I think I had the time of my life. And recently during our promotions, we went for Kailash Khelji's concert. And oh my God, it was just phenomenal. I'm a huge fan of Sir. So बहुत बहुत मजा आया.
Okay, if your life had a soundtrack, what would that song be?
Currently, I think I'm really obsessed with Khamakha, and I think it would be my life soundtrack because it just fits correctly.
Okay, one actor and director you can work with for free.
Starting from, I mean, I'm the biggest Imtiaz Ali sir fan. I'm the hugest Hansal Mehta sir fan. I'm dreaming and manifesting to work with Aditya Chopra, Karan Johar, Raju Irani. I mean, all of them. Sriram sir. So I would it's a no-brainer.
Raju Rani, Imtiaz Ali, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, whosoever is listening, please.
Yes, please.
And okay, last thing, your go-to mantra for life.
My go-to mantra is this thing I heard is a quote that I heard by another actor called Timothy Chalamet. So I don't know where it stems from, but he said, life doesn't come at you, it comes from you. और ये इतनी खूबसूरत बात है. I think it's of course very profound, पर अगर आप थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करके आप समझेंगे कि इसका क्या मतलब है, that whenever you're going through a bad time, it's not that life is against you. Life आपसे ही आती है. आपके अंदर है वो क्षमता, वो चेंज करने के लिए, तो अगर आप डिसाइड करोगे कि मैं ये चेंज करूंगी तो वो हो जाएगा. So I feel that really helped me when I was, shooting the entire show as well. And yeah, that is my life motto now.
Done.
Sure. But wish you a very happy new year, and wish a very happy new year to all your viewers as well. Hi guys, I'm Shreya Chaudhary and you're watching me on Har Zindagi.